All right, here we go. Beautiful fabrics. My goodness. So there's a couple things I've had in mind. First off is we're doing a blouse this month, Mancé's asymmetrical blouse. And so these are all great blouse fabrics and coordinates, obviously. But also our new pant, the cargo pant. It's a pull-on cargo pant. Would be awesome in any of these. So just kind of think of that. Or pant base and blouse top. They'd be beautiful. We're going to start with lovely color. Love this. This is like a earth tone. It's got a real small texture to it, like a crepe. It is a woven, and it's a cotton poly. Great drape. These all have great drape. So this is my main baby that I picked. I picked this flora. Love it. It is directional. You want to just be careful of that. All the flowers are going up and down. But contemporary, just so in right now to what's out there. So pick one print and then build the base around it. So we've got, this is a cotton poly blend. It is a woven. We've got this that goes with, and then I pulled in a knit just because we love our little knit friends, and this blends beautifully. This is 100% cotton, has stretch in both directions. Beautiful piece of fabric, great, beautiful drape. So then now these coordinates came together. This is a designer that gets back to sometimes we're not allowed to say who it is, and this is one of those. But all these coordinates came in with it. So this is a cotton poly, and I'm sorry, this is 100% tencel. This is 100% tencel, so it's got beautiful drape. It's called a French navy, according to the label. And it's the same color that's in this arrangement. So we've got this is a coordinate and this is a coordinate also. So just beautiful drape. You guys know tencel is just incredible the way it drapes and hangs, and it's a woven and it's lovely. And then we've got these two sienna colors, these deep siennas, which also is just really popular right now for blouse, pants, either one. This is a leopard. This is a poly. It's 100% poly. Both of these are created really to go together. The sienna leopard and then the solid sienna, and you can see that just how beautiful the colors are, and they drape beautifully. And I'm going to tell you something I've said for many years: stay away from polys. You got to try these new polys. They're really beautiful. They press well. They do everything, and they're not sweaty. You got to be careful of who you're getting them from. But anyway, everything I didn't even tell you. $12.99, Monday and Tuesday only. Today, tomorrow. $12.99. So this is a great time to get some fabric, fresh, new, clean. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.